Natural particle detail can transform a simple layout into something expressive and alive. Today, how to create artistic dust particles. Open Photoshop and create a 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas with a dark background. Add a new layer filled with black and generate noise at about 75% Gaussian monochromatic. Use levels to isolate bright speckles and change blend mode to screen. Duplicate the layer, scale it slightly larger, and blur it around 1 pixel so some particles appear out of focus. Lower opacity of each layer differently to build depth. Add a hue saturation adjustment